In question number 3, we have two sides AB and AC, AB and BC, and median AM of one triangle are respectively equal to PQ, QR, and median PN. So what we have been given is AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and AM equal to PN. Also it has been given that point M and N are midpoints because AM and PN are median. Median means the line joining midpoint to opposite vertex. So we need to first prove that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Let us shade it ABM PQN. So there's two triangles. Now let us start to prove first. Triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Let us start with the proof. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN, AB equal to PQ from given. Now BC is equal to QR is also given to us, but BC and QR are not parts of ABM and PQN. So why we have taken it? Because half of both will also be equal to each other. If I am multiplying half this side, I can multiply half this side also. So I get half of BC is BM and half of QR is QN. So for these two triangles, we have this AB equal to PQ, we have this BN equal to QN. Also, first, this is second, and third, also AM is equal to PN is given to us. Therefore, by SSS, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Okay, so first bit is proved. Let us move to second bit. Okay, in second bit, we have been given that we have to now prove for the whole triangle. The whole triangle ABC, and the whole triangle PQR congruent to each other. Now, for that we will be requiring angle B and angle Q equal to each other, and that we will get from here by CPCT angle B equal to angle Q, because angle B and angle Q are parts of ABM and PQN. Okay, so now let us prove the second bit of this sum. Second, to prove triangle triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Proof: in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ given, BC equal to QR again given, and angle B is equal to angle Q we have proved from 1. That is the first bit. Therefore, by side angle side. Let me show you all the three parts. AB equal to PQ, whole BC equal to whole QR, and angle B equal to angle Q. So by SAS, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Hence,